It's a new 2019 Ford Fusion. Respond to the mundane with this stimulating Fusion. It has the composed ride, sharp handling, and safety features you're looking for in a midsize sedan. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, configurable instrument gauges, remote engine start, manual tilting steering column, turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com finds its light steering yields ample feedback, and the whole package changes direction with remarkable ease. Ford, where tradition meets innovation. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
At Lakeland Auto Mall, your complete satisfaction is our #1 goal. We are conveniently located at 1430 West Memorial Boulevard in Lakeland, Florida.